In this free traffic copy and paste method with Clickbank affiliate marketing, you will make two sources of income. The number one, which you can see in this screen, people are making somewhere between $80 to $1,000, and others are making somewhere between $100 to almost like $1,700. And here you can see somewhere between $183 to $3,000. And the second source of income is from the Clickbank, and here you can see I make like $35 or $210 per week, or some week like $24. These all are free traffic, guys. Like I'm driving from Pinterest, Quora, YouTube or Instagram. So if you're first time here, guys, subscribe my channel, watch this playlist. I have a free traffic playlist as well as paid traffic playlist, and put the bell notification, and let's start this video. So the first thing first, let's select one product here. So we will go here in the marketplace. So here in the marketplace, guys, you have to select the category called spiritual, new age and alternative beliefs. Okay, this is a huge niche, guys, and if you are into make money online niche, or you are into health and wellness niche, don't worry about, guys. Okay, this niche and the method which I'm going to show you, the simple copy and paste, anybody can do it, so don't worry, it will not going to alter your work. So now you have to select some new product with low ticket. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select here, I just want a new product here, okay, which is here with a gravity. Look at this manifestation god. It's a new product, okay, recently added, and which have a initial conversion of $24, okay, and the gravity is exactly like 50-60, which is good to promote new, and the gravity is between like 50 and 60 is good. You can see this is the product, and you can get all their affiliate links from here. So now look at this, they have a quiz page also, recently in my video I showed you how to create a quiz lander. Okay, so look at this, this is their quiz lander. You can literally watch that video. I will leave the link of that video in the description. You can watch and you can create exactly the quiz lander like this using this tool called, guys, tryinteract.com. okay, I already showed you step by step how to create a quiz lander, so I'm not creating again. I will leave a link in the description. So once if you create your landing page or the quiz lander, guys, which works amazing for conversion, the second step is, guys, setting up your business. That means the traffic source, and here we're going to use the traffic source YouTube, which is unlimited, which is free. Anybody can do this, guys, by just uploading a 1 to 2 minutes of video. Look at this channel here, Divine Guidance. They have like 32,000 subscribers. Don't worry about subscriber, you don't need in the beginning. Just see the work here. Look at this 2-minute video, okay, 1 minute video, 2-minute videos, just look at this. 1 day ago they uploaded this video, they got 7,000 views, guys. If you are into free traffic, you don't have a money to invest, here you can see you're getting free here 7,000. 5 hours ago they uploaded this video, they got 1,000 views, look at this, 6,000 views. So amazing, that small videos. And with this, guys, after monetizing their YouTube channel, they're making somewhere between, guys, $80 to $1,000, which is just simply in copy and paste that I'm going to show you in a second. So keep watching and understand how they're getting the traffic. Let me show you one more channel called Radiant Positivity. They're doing the same thing. 2 hours ago, guys, 1,000 views they got it. Do you know any other traffic source which can give you free 1,000 views to your content? If you're into free traffic, you must optimize this. Okay, so let me show you the Radiant, how much they're making. Radiant Positivity, okay, they are making somewhere between like $200 to $3,000. This is AdSense money, as well as you're also going to promote a Clickbank product there. Now I'm not going to make this video longer by showing you how to create YouTube channel, because you already know that. Do the branding, do your research and find some channels like this, Radiant Positivity, get some idea, look at this, how they created here. Once if you create your YouTube channel, now thing is where to get this, text messages, music, so that you should not get copyright strike and you can monetize. For this, guys, we are going to use the free tool called Canva. Canva have its video templates, guys. Here you can see a lot of free, a lot of paid ones are there, and if you want to buy the Canva, it's only $3 to $4, which is worth buying. Or else, guys, they have a many free features here, you can select the blank one, and here you can see you can edit this video. So I also create the videos here. You can select here in background and you will get lot of free images here. If you're looking for photos, you'll get spiritual photos also here. Okay, and just very simple editing. You do not need any video editor for doing this. Here you can see these elements, right? Just select here elements. Okay, just type spiritual or law of attraction and select guys graphic, right? Look at this, all these graphics you're gonna get here. Now when it comes to text messages guys, for this you can use Google. Just type like affirmation list, you're gonna get tons of affirmations blogs. You can copy this, you don't need to worry about copyright or something like that. Okay, these are like spiritual messages you can use. Or else the best place from where I'm getting is Instagram guys. Look at this, in Instagram you're gonna get tons of like spiritual images like this. It's very simple, no website, right? No money needed to do this guys. Okay, just copy and paste here and create short videos of 1 to 2 minutes, right? Look at this feature, they have like a small video editing features which you can add, right, and draw. Very easy to do this. Okay, you don't need to be very good in editing or creating videos. It's just very simple option here. And one important thing guys, if you're looking for the music, they have a music library. If I want to remove this music and I want to use the paid one, right, this is the paid one. Okay, and I can use the paid one. Just one click, the music is added. Now what you have to do, select here download, connect your YouTube account guys, whatever the account you have, right? Look at this option here, right? Connect your social account. So you can connect your YouTube account. Once if you connect guys, they will free you from the copyright claims. Okay, so because if you want to monetize your channel in a long term, you have to keep this 4 thing in mind. You need a 1000 subscriber in your channel guys, and you should activate this 2-step verification. Then you need a 4000 hours of watch time and no copyright strike, community guideline strike, right? These are the 4 important things to monetize with them. But don't worry about it right now, because you can monetize your first video by inserting the affiliate link. So you don't need to worry about that. Now in case if you don't want to use their music, you want free music, then guys YouTube audio library is the best one. Just you can type here spiritual and you'll get tons of free music. Once if you download in your device, then it's just very simple. Look at this upload, and look at this upload the media, and you can upload all this YouTube music here. Okay, which you can see in my audio list. Look at this, these are the music which I'm using from YouTube libraries. Okay, now it's completely free, so you don't need to worry about copyright strike. So once if you downloaded this video guys, click here download, and now upload the video in your YouTube channel with proper title guys and description. This is very important. Have a good title, like, right, you can watch and learn how these people are using the titles, and you can exactly copy that and you can create this. You can have your own description properly, and you can use the hashtag. And very important thing guys, here you need a tags also. Use some relevant tags related to your video as well as the title and description, and use the thumbnail, or else you can also use video as a thumbnail here. Okay, so whatever you want you can create with Canva itself. You don't need any other tools. Okay, and now if you created your landing page or the quiz lander, make sure you shorten that thing with bit.ly. Okay, never ever use direct link in the YouTube description guys with Clickbank or anywhere. Okay, use landing page or shorten with bit.ly here, and just very simple, right? Take the quiz and unlock your manifestation blog guys, and now you can upload these videos, and you will keep this consistency every day, 1 to 2 videos. It take only 2-minute videos guys, and you have to regular here. And once if you reach 1000 subscriber, 4000 of watch hours, then you can monetize your channel with YouTube, as well as from your first video will promote your affiliate link, right? So you don't need to wait to monetization. Okay, that is the thing. And this way you can create a 2 different way of free traffic source, and you can drive tons of sales and profit in your affiliate marketing business, okay, in 2022, right? So this Clickbank affiliate marketing method is easy, copy and paste guys. If you want to know more something about this, let me know in the comment. Hope you like this method guys. So give the thumbs up to this video, right? Subscribe my channel. And before you go guys, if you're looking more free traffic methods, then I have an amazing playlist. You can watch this playlist and you can pick any of this one free traffic method, and you can start, right, promoting your affiliate products.